Have you ever caught yourself staring at your to-do list, knowing exactly what needs to be done, but feeling utterly incapable of starting? Maybe you've labeled yourself as lazy, wondering why even the simplest tasks seem monumental. But here's the truth: what we often dismiss as laziness is rarely about being idle or unmotivated. It's a complex interplay of psychological, emotional, and even biological factors that shape our behavior and decisions. In today's fast paced world, where productivity is celebrated and idleness is often frowned upon, laziness has become a misunderstood concept. Society pushes us to constantly do more, achieve more, and be more, leaving little room to explore why we sometimes feel stuck. Is it fear of failure holding us back? Is it burnout from chasing perfection? Or perhaps it's our brain's way of conserving energy in an overwhelming environment. So, why do we feel lazy? Laziness, often referred to as a lack of motivation or willingness to act, is a phenomenon rooted in psychological, physiological, and environmental factors. Below is an extensive breakdown of why we feel lazy and how to overcome it. Before we go ahead, let's take a moment to understand. What is laziness? Laziness is a state where a person avoids effort or action, even when they are capable of performing the task. It's often misunderstood as mere procrastination, but laziness can stem from deeper psychological or biological causes. Psychological reasons behind laziness: fear of failure. People often avoid tasks they fear they cannot accomplish. The brain protects itself from potential disappointment by steering clear of effort. Overwhelm and stress. A cluttered mind or too many tasks can lead to mental paralysis. Overwhelmed individuals may feel they lack the energy to start anything. Lack of motivation. Without clear goals or rewards, tasks seem pointless. Dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, may play a role in motivating action. Perfectionism. Fear of not doing something perfectly can discourage people from starting. This results in avoidance and, eventually, perceived laziness. Burnout. Prolonged periods of stress can lead to physical and emotional exhaustion. Burnout often masquerades as laziness when it's a sign of deeper fatigue. Decision fatigue. Making too many choices drains mental energy. Lack of clarity in priorities can lead to inaction. Low self-esteem. Feeling unworthy or incapable of achieving can prevent action. Negative self-talk reinforces feelings of laziness. Habits and conditioning. Growing up in environments with low expectations can create habitual laziness. Lack of role models for diligence can contribute to this mindset. The vicious cycle. Fear of failure can create a self-perpetuating cycle. Avoidance. You avoid starting a task due to fear. Avoidance. You avoid starting a task due to fear. Procrastination. The anxiety leads to further delays. Poor outcomes. Delaying the task results in subpar performance or missed opportunities. Reinforced fear. The poor outcome reinforces the belief that you're incapable, increasing fear of future tasks. The role of perception. Interestingly, fear of failure is often more about perception than reality. People tend to overestimate the consequences of failure and underestimate their ability to cope. This misjudgment heightens the fear, making even manageable tasks feel insurmountable. Overcoming fear of failure. Reframe failure as feedback. View every failure as a learning opportunity. For example, if a presentation goes poorly, focus on what you can do differently next time rather than on the embarrassment. Set realistic goals. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Accomplishing small wins can build confidence and reduce fear. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and that failure doesn't define your worth. Visualize success. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, picture yourself successfully completing the task. This can help reduce anxiety and motivate action. Take action despite fear. Action is the antidote to fear. Even small steps can diminish the hold of fear over time. Fear of failure, a hidden culprit. Fear of failure is another significant psychological factor contributing to laziness. When people worry about not meeting expectations, either their own or others, they may avoid taking action altogether. This avoidance stems from a fear of judgment, rejection, or disappointment, which can feel worse than not attempting the task. For instance, an artist might delay starting a project because they fear it won't meet their high standards. This fear-driven inertia is often misinterpreted as laziness when, in reality, it reflects a deeper emotional struggle. Lack of clear goals and motivation. Humans are inherently goal-oriented creatures. Without clear objectives or a sense of purpose, it's challenging to find the motivation to act. Laziness often arises when tasks feel meaningless or disconnected from personal values. For example, someone working in a job they dislike may find it hard to stay productive because the work doesn't align with their passions or aspirations. In such cases, laziness is not about a lack of ability but a lack of meaningful engagement with the task. Biological and neurological factors. Laziness can also have biological roots. Neurotransmitters like dopamine play a crucial role in driving motivation. When dopamine levels are low, tasks feel less rewarding, and effort seems disproportionate to the potential outcome. Additionally, physical fatigue, poor nutrition, and lack of sleep can sap energy, making it difficult to take action. Chronic stress further compounds this issue by draining mental and physical resources, leading to a state of inertia that can be mistaken for laziness. Laziness as a form of self-preservation. Laziness is often the body's way of conserving energy when it feels overworked or underrewarded. In an evolutionary sense, energy preservation was critical for survival, ensuring that humans saved their strength for tasks essential to life, such as hunting or escaping danger. In today's world, where mental exertion often replaces physical labor, this instinct manifests as a reluctance to act, especially when tasks seem unimportant or unrewarding. Emotional fatigue masked as laziness. Sometimes what appears as laziness is actually emotional exhaustion. Persistent stress, unresolved trauma, or even prolonged sadness can sap a person's energy and motivation. Emotional fatigue makes it hard to focus, prioritize, or even muster the enthusiasm to engage in daily activities. Imagine a caregiver supporting a loved one through illness. They may appear lazy in handling other aspects of life, but this behavior reflects their depleted emotional reserves rather than a lack of willpower. The role of instant gratification. Modern lifestyles, dominated by instant gratification, can significantly contribute to perceived laziness. Social media, streaming platforms, and other digital distractions provide immediate rewards that require little effort. This rewires the brain to prioritize short-term pleasure over long-term goals, making it harder to engage in tasks that demand sustained effort. For instance, spending hours scrolling through social media may seem like laziness, but it's often the brain seeking quick dopamine hits instead of the delayed satisfaction of completing a challenging task. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.